So I'm with Kevin, and we're almost a year after we received just under 1,000 grafts via FUE. We did the no shave method, so we didn't have to shave Kevin's beautiful long hair. Tell us how the experience has been and how it's changed your life.
So it was absolutely amazing. The operation itself, everything went super smoothly, no pain whatsoever. Taking care of it the days afterwards was super easy as well. And as someone with long hair, like you said, you didn't have to shave it. That meant a lot to me. And seeing this hairline and knowing it's here to stay, when you care so much about your hair like I do, and I think a lot of people do, it just means so much. You look at yourself in the mirror and you forget about worrying. You were worrying about things, now you don't anymore, and you just see the growth and you feel better every day and every month, and it's just, I feel really, really happy, really, really happy.
Thank you so much for sharing.
Oh, thank you.